Yeah, hello. I decided to make a short video, kinda midnight sound check, something like this. Right now, this is my clean tone via VHT amp. And this is my review drive. This is a orange channel. I will reduce volume on my guitar as well as tone. Clean sound. I do not want to make a review about this pedal because there are a lot of different videos and it's hard to beat them. But I'm thinking that this pedal is quite interesting and just lovely. Both sides of this pedal are quite interesting and there are a lot of different sounds you can get from it, and this is a white channel and I just, increase the level of my guitar. And here we have also a mid boost. No mid boost. And mid boost. So you have, I just couldn't understand, you have so much different, sounds and tones and everything, and you only need to change kinda both channels, yes, but you didn't need to change any settings on this pedal, and it sounds nice. channel with mid boost. No mid boost. Bridge pickup. No. I just, pretty interesting thing. I love this pedal because it's kinda interesting example of over engineering. It's really, it has so much things inside of it, like reactive load, different emulation of tube rectifier and silicon based rectifier, and a pretty complicated equalizer in custom version. And so there are so many things you can adjust and control of different things that are very interesting. And even the hood switch, I spent few hours yesterday. I spent few hours trying to figure out how to switch different options with this on this pedal. You can switch mid boost control. You can change this thing blend control, and as well as channel switching, and there is quite complicated thing. But I still love it. Kinda too thin. Thing. I don't know. It has so many, it's very touch sensitivity, and you can change a lot just by using your volume control, and I didn't change anything on the pedal itself. tried to change the, there is some settings. It's called a capacitor, right? Yeah, bright cap option. And I switch it to the US side, and the preamp is also US based on right side of the pedal, and British style on the left, so it's kind of Marshall and Fender. So this is a kind of, should sound like slightly Fenderish. But I don't know, I have no Fender here. And this side is Marshall based. But I kinda love more the Marshall side because it has some interesting mid-range thing. But on the left side you can also get some interesting. It's kind of more interesting than the default sound of my VHT. Twin overdrive pedals like Dualist clone and some other combination of Tube Screamer, for example, and Clone Centaur clone, and they are, I don't know, they're much more utility things rather than this kind of really like a sound tool, because there are so many things inside rear-wheel drive which I like, and it's much more complicated thing rather than the usual Tube Screamer pedal or Blues Breaker or clone. But it's just my opinion. Anyway. Okay. is also is more adjusted for like Fenderish style on the right side. Okay, I think that's it.